Today, we're going to talk about the pros and cons of Take Profit Trader. So let's talk about pro number one. If we scroll on down right here, let's take a look at the platforms. So for CQG data, we can use NinjaTrader, TradingView, or Tradeovate. If you use the Rhythmic connection right down here, you can see there's a lot of options: RTrader, Quant Tower, Motivewave, Bookmap, Sierra Charts, and a whole lot more. So there's a lot of platforms in which we could choose from. Now let's come over and look at con number one. And what it basically says is be consistent. And what it says is number of days. One, we must take 5 days or more to pass the evaluation. No one day can be greater than 50% of the total profit. So in the evaluation phase, we have a consistency rule. Top Step, they have a consistency rule where you can't make more than 50% of the total profit. So in Top Step, you can pass in as little as 2 days. Apex, you can pass in 1 day. My Fund and Futures, you can pass in 1 day as well. So that's why I'm going to go ahead and put this in the con section. However, that brings us to the next pro, and that is going to be it. If you look at the consistency rule right down here, you can see in the test phase, yes, we have the consistency rule. But once we get into a live sim account, there is no consistency rule. In the Pro Plus account, no consistency rule. So with Apex and My Fund and Futures and some other prop firms out there, there is a consistency rule once you're in a funded account. With Take Profit Trader, that no longer exists. It's only for the evaluation phase. Now let's take a look at the next pro out there, and that's going to be in the test phase, meaning the evaluation phase. If we go over and we look at the drawdown is end of the day. Like Apex has an intraday trailing drawdown. My Fund and Futures has end of the day. Same with Top Step. So during the evaluation phase, you are with an end of the day trailing drawdown. Now let's talk about a con with the drawdown. If you go over to the Pro account or the Pro Plus, you then switch from the end of the day trailing drawdown to now you have an intraday drawdown. So if you ever traded with Apex, it would be the same way. Now, the good thing about this is once you get above the buffer zone, which the buffer zone is your drawdown amount, then that trailing drawdown essentially goes away. Now let's talk about another con, and that's going to be the daily loss rule. This is going to be applicable to the test and the pro account. And what that basically says is you can only lose X amount of dollars, then you essentially bust the account. Now, when you look at the different accounts, like the 50K account, the daily loss limit is $1,100. So if you breach that drawdown amount in either the evaluation, aka test phase, or the pro account, you automatically will lose the account. Now let's talk about another pro. If you go below any of my videos, including the one you guys are watching right there, you can simply click on the Take Profit link. It'll take you right to the website. Now, in case you forget what the promo code is, what's pretty awesome about this is we can click this area and you can see right there at the bottom, it says promo code has been copied. Now, when you scroll on down and you check out the prices, you can already see the prices have been reflected in there. And if you decide to go ahead and go through checkout, then during the checkout, you can just paste in and it'll already have that promo code to make sure you get the deal. However, that's not the only pro that I want to share with you guys as well. Notice right here, when you use the promo code in the link in the description box down below, never pay an activation fee. So when you first look at the price of all the different account sizes, I want you guys to think about this. It's $102, no activation fee. Now you take a look at Apex when they have 80% off like they're having right now. If you want to check out Apex, there's a link in the description box down below. But with Apex, you're paying $33 for the evaluation. Then once you pass, you're paying another $125. So yes, this account is a little bit more expensive up front, but if you end up passing the evaluation in the first month, in the long run, it ends up being cheaper. Let's talk about another huge pro out there, and that is going to be the withdrawals. And if you look at this, there is no maximum amount of withdrawals. You see right here, maximum withdrawal amount, none, no max. You can see in the valuation, there's no withdrawal, but no max, where a lot of other prop firms cap how much you can withdraw. Right now, Top Step has capped it at $5,000 or 50% of your total profits. Apex for the 50K account is roughly $2,000 for the max payout per payout cycle until you reach so many payouts. So again, I think this is a huge pro when it comes to payouts with Take Profit Trader. Let's talk about another pro, and that is the fact that you can withdraw every single day. So if you come in, you've already reached above the buffer zone, you made a little bit of money, you can request your payout, boom, submit for the payout. The next day, you make a little bit of money, submit for the payout. You can literally request a payout every single day. I think that's one of the hugest pros out there for Take Profit Trader. Now, if we look at some other negatives out there, and that would be that they do have a news rule. The news rule is not in effect in the test account. However, in the Pro and Pro Plus account, the news rule is in effect. You cannot be in a trade or execute a trade 1 to 2 minutes before or 1 to 2 minutes after the news is released. So you need to be well aware of that. Also, if you look at the profit split in the Pro account, it's 80-20, meaning the trader gets to keep 80%. With other firms like with Apex or My Funded Futures or even Top Step, you get to keep 90% of the profits. But if you make it over to the Pro Plus account, you get to keep 90% of that profit split once you've graduated to the Pro Plus account. Now, let's talk about the final pro out there, and that's going to be the scaling plan. There is no scaling plan on any of the accounts. So what that means is right off the rip, let's say you want to trade the 50K account. Right off the rip, we can trade 6 E-mini contracts or 60 micros. Right off the rip, there is no scaling. You can trade max size from day one if you desire to do so. Now, if you guys want to check out Take Profit Trader and you guys want to support the channel, make sure you guys use the link in the description box down below.